Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price had a really nice day. I mean, when you consider where it was at its low point to where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, today the bulls definitely had a good day. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at $3.20. Why is $3.20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $3.20. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens. Not saying it will, but for example's sake, let's say the price does something like this. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous base of lows down here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps that are continuing to progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress forward, as $3.20. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. If you're watching level 2s, and I'm sure you noticed whenever the price got right up around $3.70, as you can see, the bulls just couldn't quite push through it. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going into next week. All in all, though, great day, great way to end the week. So, it's really now at this point just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.